Welcome to Islam in 90, the series in which I help you clear your misconception on Islam and Muslims in 90 seconds or less. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the misconception that many people view Islam as somehow inherently being a violent religion, that Islam was spread by the sword, and that Muslims are terrorists or all terrorists are Muslims. Well, we're here today to help you clear that misconception. So let's talk about the facts. Islam at its very core is a religion of peace. In fact, the root word that the term Islam is derived from itself means peace. When Muslims greet one another, we greet each other with the saying Assalamu alaikum, which means a greeting of peace. And additionally, one of the 99 attributes of God Almighty that we believe in as Muslims is that He is Al-Salam, which means the one from which peace originates from. Now let's look at some very important verses in our Holy Quran. Chapter 6, verse 151. And thou shalt not kill, and do not take any life which God has made sacred, except by way of justice and due process. Thus does He command you, that you may learn wisdom. Chapter 5, verse 32. If you take the life of one innocent person, it is as if you've taken the life of all humanity. And if you save the life of one innocent person, it is as if you saved all humanity. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to learn more, visit www.CAIRoklahoma.com and check out our newly released guide to Islam and Muslims. If you have ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for the latest updates.